Nam Dinh Pho has been officially recognized as a national intangible cultural heritage in Vietnam. This prestigious status celebrates the rich tradition and folk knowledge behind Pho Nam Dinh. With decision number 2326/QDBVHDTDL, the Vietnamese Ministry of Culture, Sports, and Tourism honors the essence of this beloved dish. Let's savor the cultural significance of Pho Nam Dinh as it takes its well-deserved place among Vietnam's heritage treasures. Pho Nam Dinh, a culinary gem that embodies community pride, cultural richness, and resilience. Passed down through generations, it's a symbol of our heritage and creativity. With the community's unwavering commitment, it stands as a testament to our shared identity. A dish not just for today, but for the long haul. This honor is well-deserved, a true reflection of our unity and tradition.
Nam Dinh, the birthplace of beef pho, where the aroma of this iconic dish fills the air. From humble street vendors to the bustling streets of Hanoi, the legacy of pho spreads far and wide. A culinary journey not to be missed. So, when you find yourself in Nam Dinh, savor every spoonful of this flavorful delight. Trust me, it's a taste sensation that will leave you craving for more. Dive into the world of beef pho and let your taste buds thank you later. Beef pho from Nam Dinh isn't just a dish, it's a tradition celebrated far and wide. Its unique origin and distinct flavors set it apart, making it a culinary gem. From the streets of Nam Dinh to tables across the globe, this iconic dish has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. A bowl of Pho Nam Dinh is more than just a meal. It's a cultural experience that continues to enchant food lovers everywhere. Imagine this. In the years 1955 to 1956, residents of Jiao Siu village in Dong Son, Nam Truc district, introduced pho to Hanoi, capturing the hearts of locals. The famous Pho Nam Dinh originated from the Ko family, known for their expertise in crafting those delicious pho noodles. A true culinary legacy that continues to delight taste buds to this day. Pho Nam Dinh. Oh, the magic in every spoonful. What's the secret behind its irresistible flavor? It's all about the broth, the noodles, and the beef, infused with a symphony of spices that dance on your taste buds. This traditional Vietnamese dish is a culinary masterpiece that tourists can't resist. The blend of flavors creates a harmony that's simply unmatched. One bite, and you'll understand why Pho Nam Dinh is a must-try for food enthusiasts everywhere.
I'm here to spill the secrets of a perfect bowl of pho. Picture this, a broth simmered to perfection with a symphony of spices like ginger, cardamom, and star anise. But wait, there's more. Tender beef, meticulously prepared for that melt-in-your-mouth experience. It's all about the balance of flavors and textures, creating a culinary masterpiece that will leave you craving more. Trust me, once you've had a taste, there's no turning back.
Picture this, a pristine white porcelain bowl filled with delicate, silky noodles, thin slices of beef, fresh green onions, aromatic herbs, and a clear, flavorful broth. This is Pho Nam Dinh, a traditional dish you must try. Head to Pho Dan on Hai Ba Trung Street or Pho Quang Nguyen on Hang Tao Street in Nam Dinh City for an unforgettable culinary experience. Dive into a world of exquisite flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds craving for more. Don't miss out on this Vietnamese culinary delight. As I sat down to savor a steaming bowl of pho on that chilly morning in Nam Dinh, the warmth of the broth instantly comforted my soul. The locals around me chatted animatedly, their love for this beloved dish evident in every slurp. The shop owner's welcoming smile added to the cozy atmosphere, making me feel like part of a big, pho-loving family. It's not just a meal, it's a cultural experience that brings people together in the most delicious way possible. The aroma of pho, a comforting embrace of my roots. Nam Dinh's essence in every slurp. But the pandemic's grip keeps me distant, yearning for that taste of home. No distance can fade the memory of its savory warmth. In every bowl, a connection to my past, a longing for the familiar. As I travel far, the scent of pho lingers, a reminder of who I am. In Nam Dinh, our pho vendors pour their hearts into every bowl, eager for the day when life returns to normal. Their passion for sharing this aromatic delight knows no bounds. They dream of the bustling streets once again filled with eager customers, near and far. The joy they find in serving their traditional pho is a testament to their unwavering dedication. Let's savor the anticipation of that vibrant day when their beloved dish can touch even more souls. Pho, the heart and soul of Vietnamese cuisine. From bustling street stalls to elegant restaurants, this aromatic broth with tender noodles is a culinary masterpiece enjoyed anytime, anywhere. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a late-night craving, pho is the ultimate comfort food that unites us all in its savory embrace. Join me on a journey through the flavors of Vietnam, where every spoonful tells a story of tradition and taste. On a chilly day in northern Vietnam, nothing beats savoring a steaming bowl of pho filled with rich, savory flavors. Let's look forward to the day when life returns to normal and the bustling streets bring this traditional dish to all. If you find yourself in Nam Dinh, make sure to try this local specialty. Stay tuned for more insights into Vietnam by subscribing and following. Let's explore together.